Now we start chapter 6, exercise 6.2. Question number 2. E and F are point on side PQ and PR, respectively of triangle PQR. In the following case, state EF parallel QR, मीन्स EF और QR पैरेलल है कि नहीं है वो चेक करने का है, स्टेट दिखाने का है. In question number 1, if PE equal to 3.9 centimeter, EQ equal to 3.0 centimeter, PF equal to 3.6 centimeter, and FR equal to 2.4 centimeter. Now first of all we taking the ratio PE upon EQ. PE equal to 3.9 upon 3.0 equal to 39 upon 10 into 3 upon 1. 3 1 ja, 3 13 ja, equal to 13 upon 10 equal to 1.3. Number 1. PF upon FR equal to 3.6 upon 2.4, 36 upon 10, 24 upon 10 equal to 36 upon 10 into 10 upon 24, 10 cancel, 12 3 ja, 12 2 ja, equal to 3 by 2. This is number 2 from 1 and 2. 13 upon 10 not equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, according to theorem number 6.2, EF not parallel QR. Therefore, EF is not parallel QR. Now we start question number 2. If a PE equal to 4, PE 4, QE 4.5, PF 8 and RF 9.0 centimeter. Now PE upon EQ. What is PE? 4 upon 4.5 equal to 4 upon 1 into 10 upon 45. 5 2 ja, 5 9 ja, 4 2 ja, 8 upon 9. This is number 1. PF upon FR equal to 8 upon 9. Number 2 from 1 and 2. PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR equal to 8 upon 9. Therefore, according to theorem 6.2, EF parallel QR. Now we start question number 3. PQ upon PQ equal to 1.28, PR equal to 2.56, PE equal to 0.18, PF equal to 0.36. Now PE plus EQ equal to PQ. PE 0.18 plus EQ equal to 1.28, EQ equal to 1.28 minus 0.18, EQ equal to 1.10, 28 minus 18, so 10. Similarly, PF plus FR equal to PR. PF equal to 0.36 plus FR equal to 2.56. Therefore, FR equal to 2.56 minus 0.36. Therefore, FR equal to 2.20. Now we are taking the ratio PE upon EQ equal to 0.18 upon 1.10 equal to 18 upon 100 upon 110 upon 100 cancel, 18 upon 110, 9 2 ja 18, 55 2 ja 110, 9 upon 55. Now PF upon FR. What is PF? 0.36 upon 2.20 equal to 36 upon 100 upon 220 upon 100, 100 cancel, 36 upon 220, 9 4 ja, 55 4 ja equal to 9 upon 55. This is 1, this is 2, from 1 and 2. PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR equal to 9 upon 55. Therefore, EF parallel QR according to theorem number 6.2, converse of fundamental theorem of proportionality. Thank you.